Stop that, or we will just help out to you if you do something naughty. Ouch! My head, you're going out. No, please, Dad, don't go. Go. Please don't go. Shut up. We need to put in the... No, please. No. Yes, you shut up. Let's go. Go. Shut up, you stupid dog. You are going out. Out. Oh, it's so heavy. I'll walk. Okay, I'm putting it down. Down. Okay. Please don't. Yes, we need. No. No, Dad. Please don't. Yes, I'll throw. Let's go. Now you are getting out of here. Fix the door. Shut up, little dog. Shut up. I told you to be shut up. You were so naughty. Finished. Now let's... Okay, now he go. Go. That's unfair. Need to take back our dog. No, I said no all day. How many times I ask you? Oh, my pants is blood. I need to go wash it.